All right, hey guys, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. I'm here at the 2023 Mobile Tech Expo. This is the Dent Guy Kid in a Candy Store basically experience. So we got tools all over the place, all types of vendors, dent guys, dent ladies, all sorts of stuff. I'm from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, so up there obviously it's quite a bit colder this time of year, so any chance I can get away is always a fantastic time here in Florida. So some of the stuff I ended up picking up this evening, some of these tips, and I know a lot of people have no idea what this stuff costs. Some of these dent slayer tips, I mean that little guy there, that goes on a rod, this is $44. A lot of people have really no understanding of how much our tools cost. On an average, I probably spend around about $3,000 to $4,000, and I already have a lot of tools. So the bare essential stuff's already been purchased, but every year you're always just improving your game. I got new Dent Reaper pushing tips here. You know, each one of these tips is just a little bit different, and they do a completely different thing. This Dent Reaper one, this is 80 bucks. That one tip there is $80. This is a tool from A1, straight, slight angle, and then it's got threads on the end there where these tips will actually go on. So not all of these, because they make two different styles, the big thread and the small thread. This is the skinnier thread, so what that's allowing you to do is get into a smaller access hole. But then I have to buy a whole nother set of tips just to use on this tool. So that's what some of these are. Every year I go to this is a big deal. I cannot fathom not coming to the Mobile Tech Expo. It's a fantastic show. I get to see friends. These guys are like family to me. You get to compete in the Dent Olympics. Last year I was in the tag team event. We're here to have fun, learn, and keep up to date with the technology in our industry. I feel like I'm pretty educated on what's coming out, what's new. I follow a lot of the Facebook groups and social media, but you come here and it's like a whole other world. Whoa, I didn't even know that was a thing. And you're having the guy that made it explain it to you. Again, I'm Jack Buckdown with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. So we'll see you guys over on those channels, and thanks for watching, guys.